Here's an interesting number theory book, a recreational mathematics book. I'm very fond of this type of book. I know with summer just beginning, 2025, when this video is being made, I know this would be a perfect book to carry on a trip just to read for fun. And it's a brief book. It's a Dover print, so it's very, very affordable. It's a printing of a book from the 60s. And, you know, very playful, as any recreational math book should be. So all the titles are really whimsical. When you start reading the book, he goes into shapes of numbers, which is really peculiar, but yeah, interesting. He also has a really strong historical bent to how he lays out all of the concepts in number theory that he considers fun. And so the book pulls no punches. It's got most of the basic theory and many examples that you would find to teach yourself number theory. Actually, I was fantasizing, if you will, when I was looking through this book, that if somebody had gifted me this book when I was in high school, I would have been able to go through it and learn a lot. Because one of the great things about number theory is its lack of prerequisites. Really, except some awareness of proofs. So sum of squares, there's mathematical induction, very much in a colloquial, you sit down and talking to somebody over a beer or something. But yeah, with definitely a historical bent, Siva Veritasinis, and a way to lay it out. Greatest common denominator. Then gets down to where was it that I was looking at? Looking at some geometry, triangles. There they are. But the parts that I find most interesting are later in the book, where he gets into congruences, of course, lots of congruences, and then Gauss's theorem that he calls Fermat's theorem. There's also some mention of primitive roots, but I think my favorite part that I was looking at this book is when he starts going into quadratic reciprocity. So I really like that. Even though it's a recreational book, he's got the full machinery of quadratic reciprocity and Legendre symbols. So I know that this would have been really amazing if somebody had gifted me this book in high school. Because one of the things that I kept saying when I was studying number theory is how incredibly approachable it is and how much fun it is to calculate. So yeah, summer book, I would consider it number theory for fun. I'm planning to take it on one of my trips.